Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have written a code to check if the given number is even or odd. We are executing this checkGiven method from the client application. So this is our main class. From our main class, we are creating an object of Calsi, and we are invoking the method of Calsi. So that is a checkGiven method. This method is taking the two params. Okay, one is the predicate, the other one is the number. Okay. Now, in this section, what we will be doing is we will be debugging this entire code and we'll see how it is executing the things step by step. Okay. So if you want to debug anything, what you have to do is you have to go to that line number. For example, I want to put the debug point at this line number. What I'll do is I'll directly go to this line. So exactly opposite to this line is a blue screen over here, right? So you have to double click on that. Okay, so you have added it. So when you see this no blue breakpoint, when you see the blue dot, so you can assume that you have added a breakpoint over there. And if I want to add the line, if I want to add a breakpoint at this line number 17, what I'll do is I'll go to this adjacent left side. I'll go to the left side at the line number 17. I'll add the one more breakpoint. Now what I'll do is I'll run this Java. I'll run this application as a application in debug mode. How to do that? Debug as a Java application. So now it is asking you to switch the perspective actually. So we want to switch to the debug perspective. Okay, let's switch to the debug perspective. Now we have switched to the debug perspective. Now what you have to do is you have to execute the application manually. Okay, before JVM used to do that. Now what you have to do is you have to execute the application manually and you have to check how the things are happening, how the things are executing it. So now the JVM is currently pointing to this line number. Okay, line number 12 it is pointing. It is about to read this line, but it haven't read this line actually. It's just pointing to it. So once it is coming to the next line, it's read this Calsi. So let's see that. Like, if I want to go to the next line, so we have a command called F6, or you can use this arrow mark actually. So F6, you can go here. So now you can see here. So Calci object is created and the memory space is created for the Calci object. Now the next line. So it is, we have provided the implementation for the predicate, right? That line will be about to read. Now we have read the line and we have got some reference of that line. Okay. And we have a next statement int number equals to 24. So that will also about to read now. So once you read it, once it read it will show the value of number equals to 24. You can see here in the right side as well. In the variable section, you can see number equals to 24 will be assigned for number variable. Now the main main method caller. So in order to get inside this method, you have to use F5 command, or you can use this arrow marker. So with this, you will be getting inside this method. Okay. So now here we are inside this checkGiven method. Now we have a predicate. We are using the predicate as a reference. So where we will be having, this is an implementation class reference actually. It will, if I press F5, it will, the test method will take the number and it will go to that implementation class method. So what is the implementation class method? Class main. So here it is a lambda expression. Okay. So it will go to that particular class main class. It will go to the particular main class now. Let's click on this F5 again. So it will be going to that class. Let's see. Okay. See here, it is going to this Calci main class. And so here you can see number. What is the number? 24. 24 is pasted over here, right? 24. 24 is divisible by 2. It's correct or not? It's correct. So if it is divisible by 2, it will return the true. Okay. So now come back. So F6. So now what it will be returning? It will be returning the Boolean value as a true. Correct. So now we are returning this Boolean value back. F6 again. So it is coming over here at this line number 17 back. So now it's having the is boolean will be having the value called a true. So now here we are writing the condition. If the condition is true, so we have to execute this statement. If the condition is false, we have to execute this statement. So as of now, the condition is true, so it will execute this statement. Click on F6. So it is coming to the next line inside the if condition, and it will be about to read this line number. So once it's read the line number, it will understand that it is a printout statement and it will print the value. So number 24 is even number. So here you can see 24 is the even number. Okay. So now it will it will go to this next line. That is a closing braces. So closing braces. So there is no other statement after the if condition. So now it will terminate the program execution. So terminated. You can see here, right, the left side, it is terminated the program execution. Okay, that's all. So this is how you have to, in this way, you have to debug the code actually. Okay, for any application. If it is a normal application, you have to debug like this one. If it is a Spring Boot application, I'll teach you how to debug the things in a Spring Boot application. Until then, thank you for watching. I hope you understand this debug thing. In the next session, we will be learning the one more concept. Okay. Till then, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch the videos regularly and share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching.